Today I am making some s'mores with just a little bit of a twist. I'm putting some caramel on it. So we have our graham crackers, our marshmallows, our caramel, and our fudge. I've melted our caramel and our fudge. So now we're gonna, because I didn't have any bars, so we're gonna start this and we're gonna put some chocolate on it. Then I'm going to put a little bit of caramel on it, just on top. We're going to put our lid on top of that. Okay, a little caramel. A little fudge. Cracker. A little caramel. A little fudge. And a top. Now, the last one. Caramel, fudge, now we're going to stick those in the oven for just a minute. And we're going to see how those turn out. Okay, now we're going to take them out of the oven. I've had them in the oven, about 4 or 5 minutes. They look pretty good. Let me get a plate. Yeah, you can see all the fudge running off of there. It does look pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, now for the taste test. Remember, I've never eaten s'mores before. Oh, that is good. Okay. So when you run out of candy bars and you don't have any, you can always melt some chocolate. I melted some caramel, put a little bit on it. Turned out really good. There's a lot of people knows how to make it, but there's some that don't. I was one of them. But it turned out pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Thank you.